Welcome to the first video of 2020. I'm sorry I went a little MIA last month. I had gift guides planned for everyone, a whole thing. Vlogmas just sort of took over my life. If you don't know, I have another vlog channel. And during December, I did Vlogmas, so I uploaded for 24 days straight, and it was a lot. But I'm excited to be back here, and today we are doing a very exciting video, my streams of income video. I want to do a lot more videos this year about how I make money, my businesses, and just financials in general, so I thought this was a great place to start by just outlining all of the ways that I make money. Having tons of forms of income is all about diversifying how you make your money so that you're not just relying on one thing, because especially when it comes to freelance jobs or working on the internet like we do here on YouTube, you never know when that could end overnight. So diversifying your income is a super important part of what we do. I got this video idea originally from Natalie, and then I have seen tons of my YouTube friends do it since. I think it's really interesting hearing how other people make money, mostly because it inspires me to find new ways to make money and new streams of income. I'm going to be sharing my streams of income from most income to least income, just FYI. So let's go ahead and get into it. So my first stream of income is brand deals. I feel like this is something that anyone who watches YouTube is pretty familiar with. But the general idea of it is that a brand or an agency reaches out to you and says, hey, are you interested in promoting this brand? Then you get to look into the brand, you get to try the brand, you get to see if you like the brand, and then you get to decide if you want to promote the brand or not. And if you do, then an ad goes up on whatever social channels they asked you to post on. So that can be a pretty wide variety. Typically my brand deals go across almost all of my platforms. For example, it may be a 2-minute mention in a video, plus an Instagram photo and an Instagram story. And that will have a lump sum attached to it. And then occasionally you'll get brand deals for just an Instagram photo or just a Facebook post or just a YouTube video. And that is how I personally make the most money. That's what goes into my savings. That's what pays my rent and what overall supports me throughout the year. My second stream of income is my freelance job. So if you guys don't know, secret's out, I have a freelance job. I talked about this on my vlog channel during Vlogmas, but in case you missed it, I work for an internet marketing company and basically help them as their social media coordinator to manage a bunch of their brand accounts. We work with a large variety of clients, and it's been really fun to learn how to work with different kinds of people and how to grow a brand from that side of things versus the personal side. And just fun because my responsibilities vary quite often. I plan on doing a lot more videos on my channel this year about my freelance work now that I have sort of started talking about it online. I'm thinking about potentially starting maybe a freelance Friday type of thing. It wouldn't be every Friday, but when I have an idea of something that I want to share about my freelance work, I would put it up on a Friday, Freelance Friday. So please let me know down below if that's something that you guys would be interested in, because obviously that's what I'm here for, just to help you. My third stream of income is my Adsense money. Again, I feel like if you watch YouTube, you're probably pretty familiar with what this is, but basically when you see an ad on this video, I get paid for that ad. There are all sorts of videos on YouTube that can explain how Adsense works a whole lot better than I can. But the great part about Adsense for people who have tons of videos on their channel, like hundreds of videos like me and people who have even more than me, is that it does become a sort of passive form of income. Now, of course, to make consistent and good money with Adsense, you definitely have to be uploading regularly, which obviously is not passive. But for example, even when I stopped posting videos on this channel for a year and a half, I still was receiving Adsense money from it from old videos. So essentially, once the video goes up, once the video has ads on it, you're going to continue making money from those ads, depending on how many views those videos get. It's just a nice extra... There was my fridge making a lot of noise. It's just a nice extra bit of money that you can count on every single month without having to necessarily do any extra work. My fourth stream of income is my merch. So I just launched my merch towards the end of last year, and I definitely plan on ramping this up this year. I want to release a lot more products. Currently trying to design and figure out what I want to do for my next line now that my holiday merch is over. Merch is such a fun way to make money because I get to be creative. I get to design my own piece. It gets to be branded specifically for me, and then it's a little piece of something that you guys get as well. We have matching, you get to wear it, I get to wear it. It's like a whole thing. So if you want to check out the merch that I currently have, you can check it out via the link down below. I believe the only thing up there right now is going to be the Molly mug, because as I said, holiday merch just got taken down, and there will be a ton of new merch coming your way very soon, so stay tuned. So my fifth fifth stream of income is actually my Poshmark. And again, that's just another really simple, easy way to make a little bit of extra income every single month. Now, the income from this definitely varies depending on whether I've uploaded new items recently or not. When I upload a ton of new items, I get a huge influx of orders, and then after that huge influx over the first week or two, that number sort of goes down, and then they just more trickle in because I'm not promoting it as much. But I still make a fair amount of money from it every single month. It's a super great way just to make a little extra cash, and something that literally anyone can do. You don't need a following to sell things on Poshmark. And it's a great way of giving your clothes that you no longer want a second life and making a little bit of extra cash off of it. And my last and final stream of income is my affiliate links. I think this is so low on my list because, to be honest, I don't take advantage of them as often as I should, and it's something that I'm gonna try to work on this year. There are creators out there who make their entire living off of affiliate links. It is a huge market. So if you don't know what an affiliate link is, it's basically if I say, hey, if you're interested in getting this sweater that I'm wearing, I'm going to have it linked down below. And then I'm a part of an affiliate program, and I linked this sweater through my affiliate program, which tracks how many clicks and how many purchases are made from my link specifically. And then based on those numbers, I get a certain percentage of the sale that was made. Now, there are tons of different affiliate programs out there that you can use. I'm a part of two main ones, and that is Shop Style Collective and Reward Style. And then I'm also signed up for Amazon affiliates and Target affiliates, although I believe that both of those things work towards my two main affiliate programs as well, so I don't necessarily use those directly as often. But I dare to say that there are hundreds of affiliate programs out there. That may be an exaggeration, but also maybe not. So anyway, as I said, I don't necessarily take advantage of affiliate links as much as I probably should. I should be linking a lot more, but it is a great, again, sort of passive form of income. Literally all you're doing is linking something, and then suddenly you get a check every single month. And there you have it. Those are my 6 streams of income. I think this is really wonderful, just that people are starting to share this and be a little bit more open and honest about how we all make money, because I feel like it's still sort of a mystery. I hope this video gave you some ideas of some streams of income that you can add into your daily life. Please leave your requests down below for other financial centered videos that you'd like me to do. If you have any ideas, I would love to hear them, and I would love to create them for you. So let's do it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on push notifications, and I'll see you next time.